Experiencing issues with Tesco Mobile roaming on your iPhone or Android device while traveling? You're not alone. Here's why this happens. Roaming allows your phone to connect to foreign networks, but problems arise from incompatible agreements between Tesco Mobile, which uses O2's network, and international carriers. Outdated carrier settings or incorrect APN, access point name configurations are also common culprits. Sometimes, your device might struggle with specific international networks or lack support for essential features like VoLTE for calls or 5G connectivity. Let's get you back online. To fix Tesco Mobile roaming issues, start by enabling roaming in your phone's cellular settings. This allows your device to connect to foreign networks when traveling abroad. Next, update your carrier settings to ensure you have the latest network profiles. On iPhone, go to Settings, General, then About. On Android, navigate to Settings, System, then System Update. Then reset your network settings to clear any cached data that might be causing issues. For iPhone, go to Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset iPhone, Reset, then Reset Network Settings. On Android, find Settings, System, Reset options and select Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile and Bluetooth. Verify your APN settings to ensure proper data connection. Tesco Mobile's default APN is Tesco Mobile with blank username and password and MMSC set to mmsc.mmsc.co.uk 8002. Finally, ensure your SIM card is unlocked and compatible with international networks. This is crucial for seamless roaming connections. For older phones, try switching to LTE network mode for better stability. Following these steps should resolve most roaming problems and restore your connection.